The Bronze Age collapse is a fascinating subject within ancient history that signifies the decline and fall of numerous powerful civilizations between 1200 and 1150 BC. This period witnessed the disappearance of several literary scripts, a significant reduction in the population, and the abandonment of cities. Narrating the events of this transformative era brings us closer to understanding the dynamics that shaped the world's history. In the heart of the Mediterranean and the Near East, kingdoms were flourishing during the Late Bronze Age. The Hittites ruled from their capital Hattusa, the Mycenaeans dominated Greece, the Egyptians maintained a vast empire, and the Assyrians, Babylonians, and Canaanites controlled Mesopotamia and the Levant. The dress rehearsal for the collapse could be traced back to natural calamities. First, a series of earthquakes devastated crucial cities, a natural disaster sweeping across the region, leaving urban centers vulnerable and less defensible against external threats. Concurrently, climate change resulted in prolonged droughts, leading to food shortages, causing instability across these societies. Amidst these chaotic background events, the mysterious Sea Peoples began their invasions. This enigmatic group of seafaring marauders launched assaults across the eastern Mediterranean, sacking cities like Ugarit and engaging the Egyptian forces under Pharaoh Ramses III. Their identity remains a mystery, and though several theories exist, none conclusively identifies them. However, their impact was undeniable, as they played a crucial role in destabilizing the established order. As a result of these cumulative crises, ancient trade networks collapsed. The well-oiled systems of commerce that had connected these empires and facilitated the flow of goods, ideas, and cultural practices were irreparably damaged. Whole writing systems, like those of the Hittites and Mycenaeans, went extinct with the disuse of administrative inscriptions, deepening the societal disruption. Populations were displaced, cities burned, and the assurance of the old order gave way to a dark and confusing era that lasted over a century. The staggering impacts led to a regression in economic and cultural complexity. Subsistence farming became the norm as trade vanished, with many former city dwellers retreating to fortified rural communities, fearing the marauding bands and uncertainty. This period of decline eventually gave way to the Iron Age, as new peoples, like the Arameans, Greeks, and Phoenicians, rose from the tumultuous aftermath. They carried forth innovations, societal adaptations, and the seeds for the rebirth of civilization. The Bronze Age collapse is a powerful reminder of civilization's resilience and frailty. It reminds us of the interconnectedness of societies, the inevitable shifts in climatic and environmental patterns, and the precursors to monumental change. By examining this era, we not only delve into the depths of our shared past, but also draw parallels that resonate with the present.